For what?
To carve the pumpkins!
I decided to put some designs on the pumpkins before we got started. That way they can get to carving right away. This was a group effort and it was a lot of fun.
Alright, so they've been at this for about 10 minutes, so we're gonna check on the progress. Here we go. Sandy, how you feeling?
Good.
And how's it going over here?
Good.
Hey, that's looking pretty good. And what do you have? What's the design called?
Heart flower.
Heart flower? Which kind of flower is it?
Sunflower.
Ah, heart sunflower. Really cool. Alright, and let's check on Alani. Alani, what are you doing?
I'm doing Patrick.
And how are you feeling?
I'm feeling pretty good.
Alright, let's look at your design. How's it going? Show us.
It's going a little bit good, I guess. I've messed up a few times, but I'm just rolling with it.
Hey, that's looking good. The eyes look great.
Thanks.
Oh, that's a nice design too.
It looks like Halloween-y. His eyes.
Yeah.
His eyes look like Halloween-y.
Yeah.
Halloween-y.
What's that? Is that a character?
Yeah. Patrick from SpongeBob SquarePants, of course.
Gotcha. Neat. Alright. So we'll check up on the progress in the next 10 to 20 minutes. See you guys in a little bit. Let's continue on with the video. Why did we carve a pumpkin in December?
Because my dad was traveling. We didn't get to see him that much because he was traveling because he was doing caricatures to like make other people happy and for them to have fun, and he loves drawing.
Alright, so it's been about 20 minutes, actually more like 25 minutes after our first checkup. We're gonna check and see how they're doing right now. Cyani, what do you think?
Good.
How's it going over here?
Good.
Good, it's looking pretty good. Nice. You've been following the lines. That's good. I can see that you've got a few more lines to go. You're gonna carve out all the way around that. Nice. Alright. And how are you feeling? How you feeling good?
Yeah.
Alright, you excited?
Kinda.
How are you feeling, Alani?
I don't know right now. I really don't know.
Let's see how you're doing. Let's look.
I'm gonna stop.
Let's look. Hey, that's looking cool. So did you put a bubble by his hair? Is that by his head? Is that what you're doing? He's underwater after all, right?
I guess.
Okay,
Guess
cool.
that's
So
a
we're
huge
gonna check back and see how he makes that work, because I think he's doing some special effects stuff over there. All right, we'll be right back. Let's continue on with the time lapse. How did you feel about carving the pumpkin?
I had a lot of fun. Did take a lot of strength with my fingers, but we still finished it. It was really fun.
Awesome. And why did we have to carve a pumpkin in December?
Because you were in Florida and we were here in PA and we were all waiting for you.
so here it is, the final results. This is gonna be really cool. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. And we're gonna have our judge, Cynthia, right here, tell us what she thinks. If you had to give Alani's a rating from 1 through 10, what would it be?
9.9.
Oh, that's a solid score, 9.9.
Yes.
And what about Cyani's?
9.9.
Whoa! We got ourselves a tie! Good job, guys. I'm stoked that you guys got to carve the pumpkin with Daddy and Mommy. That was a lot of fun.
That was really
I hope you guys enjoyed it. Guess what it's time for?
What?
Cleanup time! Woo! All right, so much love to you guys. See you later. Bye.
Bye, guys. Love y'all.
Bye. Bye. Thank you so much for watching the video. Really do appreciate it. This was a special video because during the Halloween time I was not in town, as I normally have to travel 9 months out of the year to work at fairs and events, drawing caricatures. So this was very special to us. The kids actually waited from Halloween all the way up to the December time to get this pumpkin done, and it's just been very crazy and impossible until now. Thank you so much for accompanying us in our journey to having done this. Really do appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and please do share this video. We would like this video to go as viral as possible so that I can spend more time with the kids. Much love. See you guys later.